What is the future for 3D printing for both home and professional use? 3Ax Development is excited to offer you opportunities with 3D printing and small format machines in MakerBots, Duplicator 4s, click and prints, and a variety of other technologies where you can use FDM format materials to get parts in small sizes quickly. Remember, not everybody needs very large parts, but they do need options for time, strength, heat, and accuracy. Small format 3D printers and services offered by 3Ax Development give you that option, as reflected in our small printer farm that we have available to you. So look to 3Ax Development for your 3-axis printers, as well as the opportunity to either use service or actually purchase a variety of different technology machines.